Palesa Morgan to Phat Joe, you know I'm so obsessed with you. Model Palesa Morgan penned the sweetest note to her man and TV personality Phat Joe for his birthday earlier this week. Phat Joe and Palesa are just the cutest when it comes to showering each other with love and praise. They're totes an inspiration to the singles club. You know I'm so obsessed with you. I wish you a year of success in your business and years of health and laughter. Life isn't always easy, but you are the most incredible person. How you handle life and people leaves me in awe. Phat Joe popped the question to Palesa in October 2016, and hopefully there will be a wedding soon.